Bereshit, chapter 25. Avraham took another wife, and her name was Keturah. She bore him Zimran, Yokshan, Medan, Midian, Ishbak, and Shuach. Yokshan became the father of Sheba and Dedan. The sons of Dedan were Ashurim, Letushim, and Leumim. The sons of Midian, Ephah, Epher, Hanok, Abida, and Eldah. All these were the children of Keturah. Avraham gave all that he had to Yitzchak, but to the sons of Avraham's concubines Avraham gave gifts. He sent them away from Yitzchak his son, while he yet lived, eastward to the east country. These are the days of the years of Avraham's life which he lived, 100 years, and 70 years, and 5 years. Avraham gave up the spirit, and died in a good old age, an old man, and full of years, and was gathered to his people. Yitzchak and Ishmael his sons buried him in the cave of Machpelah, in the field of Ephron, the son of Zohar the Hittite, which is before Mamre, the field which Avraham purchased of the children of Het. Avraham was buried there with Sarah his wife. It happened after the death of Avraham that Elohim blessed Yitzchak his son. Yitzchak lived by Be'er Lahai Roi. Now this is the history of the generations of Ishmael, Avraham's son, whom Hagar the Egyptian, Sarah's handmaid, bore to Avraham. These are the names of the sons of Ishmael, by their names, according to the order of their birth. The firstborn of Ishmael, Nebaioth, then Kedar, Adbeel, Mibsam, Mishma, Duma, Massa, Hadad, Tema, Yetur, Naphish, and Kedema. These are the sons of Ishmael, and these are their names, by their villages and by their encampments, 12 princes according to their nations. These are the years of the life of Ishmael, 137 years. He gave up the spirit and died, and was gathered to his people. They lived from Havilah to Shur, that is before Egypt, as you go toward Assyria. He lived opposite all his relatives. This is the history of the generations of Yitzchak, Avraham's son. Avraham became the father of Yitzchak. Yitzchak was 40 years old when he took Rivkah, the daughter of Betuel, the Aramean of Padan Aram, the sister of Laban the Aramean, to be his wife. Yitzchak entreated Yahuwah for his wife, because she was barren. Yahuwah was entreated by him, and Rivkah his wife conceived. The children struggled together within her. She said, "If it be so, why do I live?" She went to inquire of Yahuwah. Yahuwah said to her, "2 nations are in your womb, 2 peoples will be separated from your body. The one people will be stronger than the other people. The elder will serve the younger." When her days to be delivered were fulfilled, behold, there were twins in her womb. The first came out red all over, like a hairy garment. They named him Esav. After that his brother came out, and his hand had hold on Esav's heel. He was named Yaakov. Yitzchak was 60 years old when she bore them. The boys grew. Esav was a skillful hunter, a man of the field. Yaakov was a quiet man, living in tents. Now Yitzchak loved Esav, because he ate his venison. Rivkah loved Yaakov. Yaakov boiled stew. Esav came in from the field, and he was famished. Esav said to Yaakov, "Please feed me with that same red stew, for I am famished." Therefore his name was called Edom. Yaakov said, "First sell me your birthright." Esav said, "Behold, I am about to die. What good is the birthright to me?" Yaakov said, "Swear to me first." He swore to him. He sold his birthright to Yaakov. Yaakov gave Esav bread and stew of lentils. He ate and drank, rose up, and went his way. So Esav despised his birthright.